Hello, Bitcoin fans and investors and traders. Here's a quick update on the 4-hour chart for Bitcoin. This is current wave, cwcount.com. As we stated on the prior chart, we thought that triangle was forming for minor wave B, but after testing the 9,300 area, Bitcoin took a major U-turn and started surging to the upside. So this just a this creates a detour. It doesn't change the pattern, or it doesn't change the overall picture here. We're getting a higher minor B. Again, we thought that the minor B could be placed here with a perfectly looking contracting triangle, and after it broke to the downside, we thought that would be the minor 1, minor 2 for the final part of the minor wave C. But it surged from the 936 level. It kind of traded sideways for about 4 or 5 days, and boom, it just took it higher. Right now we're hovering probably at about 10,700 as we record this video. uh, Again, if you look at what's happening here, this is the current chart that we just written. This triangle has ended up just becoming a larger minor wave B. uh, just a minor detour. Bottom line is this pattern is not complete. Bottom line, 99.99% we're very confident that Bitcoin cannot go through a significant rally without going to the downside. Without going down, it cannot rally because the pattern is not complete. And remember, the indices, especially the large indices, are made up of patterns. It's a human behavior, human psychology that makes up these waves. It's not driven by events or news. It's not driven by anything else other than the positives and negatives of human psychology that's built. And the Elliott wave, like I said, it is the best tool to read these indices, and especially with Bitcoin. It's been only around since 2008, 2007 when it started trading. So, right, the initial cycle is always like the most accurate read for Elliott wave analysts. But if you clearly look at this minor A here, and you get inside the minor wave B, you have clear ABC minute, and inside the minute B, you have clear ABC minuet. So this has the right look. So what people who are saying, well, this is it doesn't really create a right look for Elliott wave. It's beyond the norm. No, no way. We have this A, B, and I don't know if this B is going to take it beyond this 10,993. It doesn't have to. So if we could stick a B here with on the minus C wave with a 5 count, then that would be it. Then we go straight down and look at the converging line here with the lower channel. You're looking at low 7,000. You're looking at the Fibonacci 0.618 to be around 722.50. We really feel that we should get near the between 8,000 7,000 level in order for us to call the bottom on Bitcoin and get ready for a significant run. But until then, this pattern is not done, and those who think that this is the beginning stage of a huge rally, think again. This is a sucker's rally, and you're going to be very sorry to own this Bitcoin at this level. Again, don't go Google and look at Bitcoin Outlook or price prediction, because those guys are 90% of the times, I would say 98% of the times, wrong. They're always talking about moving averages or support here, resistance there, oscillator here, there. Those are, again, subjective comments from these analysts, where this is just a pure count. I'm giving you the count from the Elliott wave perspective. Nobody could get the near-term counts exactly right, but if there is, I mean, always remember, there's an alternate count in Elliott wave. There's not a single dominant count. There's always an alternate count, and we're just going through another alternate scenario. But this criteria, A, higher minor B, makes perfect sense as well. So look for the C to be completed within the next day or so to complete minor wave B. Then it's going to be straight down from there to minor wave C, and that's all she wrote. But right now, the mainstream media is trying to attach news to this, going higher, stating that this turmoil, global economic and geopolitical uncertainty, and if the Brexit, if the British goes out without a deal, then there could be another surge in Bitcoin prices, or economic turmoil in Argentina, and I always talk about the trade war that's escalating between U.S. and China. That's the culprit of having Bitcoin move up against these fiat currencies that's overly valued. No, once again, nonsense. Just stick with the wave count, and if wave changes a little bit and there's a detour, look at the whole picture and say to yourself, "Oh my God, it's not a triangle B. It's just a little higher minor B that's unfolding." but I am 99% confident that the wave C minor has to happen before we go higher. So for those people trying to bid up the stock here or bid up Bitcoin at this level, I would totally advise you not to. This is a pure suckers rally, and very soon this thing will keel over and go through the minor C event. Until then, I'll probably report back to you within about another 3-4 days. But we're going to be launching our Bitcoin service on our platform probably within about 2 to 4 weeks. As soon as we have that date more closely available, as soon as we define a more of a target date, we'll announce it there as well. But for now, we're gonna probably say have a limited upside here. I think that the worst case scenario is maybe take out 10,993, hover maybe in the low 11,000, then you turn sharply and go lower. So that should be the scenario that's gonna be played out. So until then, I will probably report back to you with another 3 or 4 days with another update. This is Current Wave, cwcount.com.